Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have visited some few people. We want to see the idea of vertical gardening or vertical kitchen gardening. So we are going to look at the conical garden, and also we are going to look at the bags. So the idea is vertically producing vegetables in your land. So one advantage or a few advantages of vertical gardening is that it occupies a very small space, so meaning whenever you are able to get vegetable for your household, and then the surplus you sell to people around you or market around you. So here is a farmer-based group where they have some few activities, business going on. So they were given like three conical gardens and one bag, and they have been able to produce vegetables enough for themselves, and also selling surplus to a next in the carton. So this is how it looks like when it is fresh. This one is it has been established like a few days ago. That's why you can see growth has not been able to be observed, but soon it will be to be observed. So I've said that they occupy less space, and also if you want to move from one place to another with them, at least you get to the growing media, then you move with the bags or the conical.
I'm sure
Compared to land which is not this model, if you want to move from one place to another, you're not going to pick your land and go. So that is another advantage. You can move with them from one place to another. Let's say you are working in a certain place, then you have it in your small garden, and then maybe you are transferred to another place. It will be easier for you to move to another place with them. And also the media that you're going to use, you can be able to control, and it doesn't require a lot of media. And also you can control like things like diseases which are being which occurs because as a result of the growing media or the soil that people usually use to grow. So, and then again, you can put as much as different types of vegetables. Like this farmer, the farmer, she had kales and also the spring onions. And you see, this one, she was telling us she has been able to be served with the vegetables for the past 1 year. This one also, it contains spring onions and some vegetables. So if you have been able to be served with this conical garden for the past 1 year, you see, it's a good investment. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is gonna help you and you're going to have that kitchen garden.